Hey, what's up guys, Power here, and I'm recording this video in Audacity, and I'm going to show you guys all the cool things you can do with Audacity that you may not know about. And this program is filled with a lot of interesting features, all for free. If you have never used Audacity, I will leave the link below, and no, this video is not sponsored by Audacity. So one of the many cool things you could do in Audacity is remove background noise. To remove background noise, what you do is go to the very start of your track, highlight a little area that you're not talking, and then go to Effect, go down to Noise Reduction. You want to press is Get Noise Profile, then press Ctrl A, which highlights the entire track, and then press Ctrl R, which will do the reduction, and you'll have no background noise in your track. Now for the fun part. You want to press Ctrl A to highlight the entire clip and head over to equalization. You want to do is go to the drop down and find treble boost. And under treble boost, you want to copy these exact graph, I guess, and you'll notice right away how all of the voice modulations change immediately. Go back to equalization one more time and find bass boost. And now this is where the magic really happens. This will turn your voice from the lows and highs of your treble and the bass in your voice, which everyone has natural treble and bass in their voice, and it'll make it sound so much better. Even if you have a crappy headset microphone, this will make your voice sound clearer and also better, which overall I'd say is a good thing about Audacity, is how much you can edit your voice to do what you want with it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like, potentially subscribe, and have a great day, guys.